Listen up. You do not need an LLC to start your cleaning business. Okay, let me say that one more time for the people in the back. You do not need an LLC to start your cleaning business. Okay, look here, you guys. My name is Jasmine Tates, and I am a cleaning business coach. I teach people how to start a successful cleaning business without them never, ever touching a mop, broom, bucket, all the things of all the things. Okay, now I know I just shared with you guys what you don't need, but you're probably wondering then what you need, right? Well, Jazz, you're telling me what I don't need. Let me tell you what you need, okay? There are multiple options, and this is my little disclaimer because I am no ways a tax attorney, a business attorney, any attorney. There's no initials behind my name, okay? No legal, business attorney, any of the things, okay? So if you really want the true facts to know like the proper structure, then sit with a tax attorney, sit with a business attorney. That way they can actually give you some real true advice on how to properly structure your business. Okay, I'm not the one, nor is really anybody else on social media or on YouTube. Okay, unless they have a profession. People are sharing opinions, which everybody is more than welcome to do so. These platforms were literally created for people to share their opinions. That's what I do, right? But I don't want to act like I'm an expert in something and give you guys sound advice to do something I really don't know. So there are multiple different ways that you can structure your business. So just know that there are options, right? Some states, LLCs are crazy expensive. California, New York, New Jersey, Texas, mad expensive LLCs, okay? If you are limited on your budget, I would much rather you spend your budget and focus on lead generation than on a piece of paper that you now have an LLC, okay? Start it with a DBA, an assumed name, business license, like something that's going to be much more feasible to the pocket, but you're still able to legally operate in your state, county, city, and all the places. Okay, so getting the LLC, yeah, it's great. They have awesome benefits. They help protect you, help keep your business separated from your personal, and you can do all the things with it. Start an EIN, start building business credit. Okay, yes, it does amazing things, but you don't necessarily have to have it to start your cleaning business. If you want to get it and you have the funds to do so, and you're like, no, I could, direct funds for the LLC, and I still have funds for my marketing. Or if you're in an area to where you live in a state to where LLCs is almost as expensive as a DBA, then awesome. But please, you guys, get some sound advice on how to properly structure your business, okay? If you don't know how to do that in the beginning, then start with a DBA, an LLC. I'm sorry, look at me saying it. Start with a DBA, assume name, and something smaller. Then you can build up to that so you can make sure that your business is properly structured. You get me? Okay. And you guys don't have to put LLC in your domain names. LLCs are meant to kind of be a little private. So that way you cannot, in some states like Wyoming, people specifically open up an LLC in Wyoming because that you can have it to be not searchable to the public view, right? So don't put LLCs in y'all business names and y'all domain names and on your business cards. You don't need to know that. Nobody needs to know how you legally have your business structured, right? So it doesn't give any kind of kudos or bonus points or anything like that. All right. But I do want to share with you guys a resource, okay? Because if you're needing help with getting the structure, getting the LLC, you don't have to pay a lot of money to have somebody to set it up for you. There is a great platform that I have been using, and we've actually partnered with called Zen Business, to where you can use this platform. You only paying the cost that you would to have to pay to get the actual LLC, okay? So if you want the LLC, like, yo, Jazz, I hear you. I've done my due diligence. I know what I'm doing, boo. I got this, okay? If that is you, don't pay nobody to do it for you, okay? Go to Zen Business. Go ahead and put all your information in. They'll be able to set up your LLC and all your business structure. Again, EINs are free. You don't need nobody to set that up for you either, okay? All you have to do for Zen Business is actually just pay the cost that your state would charge you to get the LLC. They do have some expediting costs if you want to do that. Cool beans. If you want to put a rush on this thing, okay, then you can use that as well. But Y'all, for the LLCs, you don't necessarily need that for your business structure. Now, you want to get an EIN number. The cool thing with LLCs is that the EIN number is attached to your LLC. If you get a start your business as a sole prop with just a DBA or business license or assumed name, then your EIN number is attached to your name. Okay. When with a sole prop, you're not able to build business credit based upon a sole prop. So if your goal is to build business credit, longevity of LLCs do help, is a good determining factor for funding. So yes, you can keep that in mind as well. But like I said, you could always get one later. I'm not saying never to get one, and I'm not even saying not to get one. I'm just letting you know you don't need it to start it. Okay, you don't need it to start the cleaning business, that you could start simply with these other methods. You want to know a secret? Because I didn't even have anything. I didn't have anything set in place for like maybe the good 2 years. Okay. I was just out here trying to make a living, y'all. I was out here just trying to make some money, trying to get my life back in order. I needed something quick to start. I love the fact that starting a cleaning business allowed me to be able to do that. And then I put all my ducks in the line. Okay. Yes, I know I super preach and talk about setting up the right foundation and make sure all your ducks are in the line, all the things. I must really like ducks. So I'm talking a lot about ducks today. But anywho, I'm not saying not to get it. I'm not saying to get it. I'm just saying that you don't need it to start it, right? All you need is some sort of legal, whatever it is called in your state, assumed name, business license, DBA, whatever it's called in your state, just get that. Okay, that alone will allow you to be able to legally operate and start a business. You can get the EIN associated with your sole prop. Go set up your business account. Go set up your Stripe. Go set up your Gusto. Go get your business insurance. Okay, tackle and do all the things. All right, you guys. So I hope this has been helpful. If so, you guys go ahead and join the upcoming master workshop. Get more information, tips, and tricks like this to help you to launch your cleaning business. And if you have any questions, I'm always available. Okay? So until next time, make sure you do all the things of all the things. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.